Hey guys, so today I'm showing you all how I make my coleslaw. It's really simple to make and full of flavor, so let's get started. Some of the things you're going to need is, of course, cabbage, carrots, half an onion, and 1 clove of garlic. So I'm going to use my food processor to finely mince my onion, and I use a grater to mince my 1 clove of garlic. And then you want them to be very finely minced because you don't want to be biting chunks of garlic or onion in the coleslaw. You're also going to need black pepper, salt, mayonnaise, and a little bit of sugar. I used my food processor to shred my cabbage and carrot. Then I added that into a bowl, give it a quick mix, and then now I'm adding in my onion and garlic. And then we're gonna give that a mix to incorporate everything together. Now I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, and I'm just gonna sprinkle that over the vegetable mixture. Then I'm adding in black pepper, a little bit of salt, and then I'm going to add my mayo and mix really well to mix all of the flavors and make sure everything is very well combined. Be sure to taste your coleslaw after you finish mixing it to see if you need to adjust any of your seasonings, the salt or the black pepper, maybe the sugar. And if you want an extra kick to your coleslaw, you could add in a little bit of onion and garlic powder. I didn't need it because the onion and the minced garlic does enough for my coleslaw. So yeah guys, just be sure to taste your coleslaw and see if you need to adjust any of your seasonings. And once you finish mixing, you can cover it and put it into your refrigerator until you're ready to use it. And this is how I make my coleslaw. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.